Hi, so in today's video we're going to learn about how you can backup and migrate WordPress the easy way for free. So most WordPress backup plugins out there, they're not really free, and most of them they're hard to backup and it's hard to migrate a site. But in today's video we're going to learn how you can do a manual backup either locally on your server or to other storage like Google Drive and so on. And the second thing you're going to learn is how you can run a scheduled backup. For example, if you'd like to be backing up your WordPress site every day or every week or every month. And the last thing I'm going to show you is how you can migrate a site within 5 minutes or less for free and the easiest way. Okay, so the website I'm going to be working on is this one, test.keithruins.me. So everything starts with a plugin. So to do this, you first need to install my recommended plugin. Okay, so all you have to do is search for WPvivid and install the first plugin you're going to see, which is this one. So migration, backup, staging, WPvivid backup and migration plugin. So simply install it, then activate it. So once you install it and activate it, you're going to be presented with a screen like this. So as I said earlier on, the first thing we're going to do is how you can do an instant backup. So to do that, you have to choose, like, if you'd like to backup only WordPress files, choose this one. If you'd like to backup only the database, choose this one. But in most cases I prefer backing up everything, both the data and the files. So now to backup, all you have to do is simply click on this button. But I also showed you a way that you can actually backup to other storage like Google Drive. So to do that, all you have to do is click on remote storage, and you can choose either Google Drive, Dropbox, Microsoft OneDrive, Amazon S3, DigitalOcean Spaces, FTP and SFTP. So all these things are free, you don't have to buy a license. So for this, you can enter this. So you can learn about how you can do this. You can search on Google or on YouTube. Simply click on authenticate with Google, they need to be added. So only do this if you know what you are doing. So for now, we're going to back up to our server. So all I'm going to do now is click backup. So depending on how big the website is, it's going to take some time. So as you can see, this website has no post and I just recently made it. Okay, so the backup is done and is right here. So to restore it, simply click on the restore button. To delete, click on the bin icon. That's it. So we are done with first step of how to do a manual backup to local or other storage. Now the second thing is how to run a scheduled backup, how to schedule backups in case of anything goes wrong. So to do that, simply click on the schedule button over here, and then simply tick this box. Then you can choose either daily, weekly, fortnight or monthly. So let's choose daily. So I have to choose what would you like to backup, database only or with files. So I prefer backing up everything. Then you'll be asked, where do you want to backup to, your server or local or remote storage. If you have connected your remote storage, simply choose the remote storage. For now, I'm going to keep it this way and simply click on save changes. Okay, so now the backup schedule has been enabled. So every day backups will be done, and the next backup is Saturday, September 4. So again, we are done with the second step of a scheduled backup. Now the last thing is how to migrate a site within 5 minutes or less for free as well, and the easy way. So now, how do you migrate a site? First, what you need is an old site. We are migrating it to the new site. Okay, so in this case, which one is the old site? Okay, so we're going to migrate the site from the old one to the new one. So the old one is this one, which is the main site of mine, and the new one is this one, test.keithruins.me. So we're going to migrate this website to this one. So my main website is really big, so it's going to take some time, but the good part is that we won't need to download the site to our local laptop. Everything is going to be done online. So this is the new website, currently has nothing, and it's using the default theme. So now let's try to migrate the site and see how it will go. So to migrate a site, you'll be required to paste in the key of the old site. So on the old site as well, you need to install the WPvivid plugin. Okay, so now to migrate the old site to the new one, we first need to copy the key from the new one. So to do that, simply click on key and click on generate and copy the key, and go to the old website and click on auto migration and paste in the key, then click on save. So now as you can see, it's saying the connection is okay. Now you can transfer the site, the old one to the new one over here. Okay, so now all you have to do now is simply click on clone, then transfer. Okay, so it's going to take some time because my website is really big. So as you can see, the database alone is about 200 MB and the file size that of images is about 2 GB. Okay, so let's give it some time and to be done. Okay, so it's now uploading and the progress is 0%, so let's give it some time again. Okay, so this process of uploading, it's going to take some time, but let me just complete the video. Okay, so once the uploading is done, go back to the new site and scroll down and simply click this button saying scan uploaded backup or received backup. Then when you click on it, when the uploading is done, you are going to see the backup from the old site somewhere here, and it will show you where it's from. So once you see to this list, simply click on the restore button. When you restore it, the old site will be restored on the new one, and that's it. Okay, so that is exactly how you use this plugin. So if you have questions, feel free to comment. I read and reply to all comments. So this is it about this video, is about how to backup and migrate WordPress the easy way for free. So don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe. Bye for now.